Hi, my name is Şükrü. Now I will present my microwave electronics course term project. Here is my PCB. This is my bias voltage. And now, as we can see, this is my S parameters, my small signal result. My center frequency is 0.1 gigahertz. My S22 should be lower than -12, and my S11 should be lower than -8. As I remember, my gain would also higher than 10 dB, and the gain ripple gain variation should be in 1 decibel in upper and lower frequencies. As you can see, the results are satisfactory for now. Here is my noise measurement in 3.6 bias condition and 1.01 gigahertz condition. I get 10.89 and approximately 1.5 dB noise figure. It's a bit expected. In my simulations, I get around 0.87 dB noise figure. Let's see, I can lower it or not, but it seems maybe acceptable for my. So I couldn't get the in 959 megahertz. Probably it's about the communication frequency coupling. This is a very low value from my center frequency, but the noise figure still looks acceptable. In higher frequency, in the highest band, let's see, we can get. So my highest noise figure become 1.66, and my gain becomes 10.45 dB. The variation in the noise and insertion gain still acceptable. It still is in the range.